Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock rear doors so no one from inside would be able to open them. No matter if car is locked or unlocked, doors will remain locked. This little thing makes it possible, just push it down. So let's test it out. As you can tell, car is unlocked. And you are still unable to open or unlock rear door from the inside. You can do this on the both rear doors and they will remain locked. You can only open doors from the outside. Push this switch up for standard position if you want your door to be opened from inside.